In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your creative projects using the incredible features of Canva, specifically with a focus on blending images like a professional. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with graphic design, knowing how to use these tools effectively can significantly elevate your visual content. So let's dive right into the process. First off, we're going to head over to your Canva project. You may already be familiar with Canva as a versatile design platform that allows users to create stunning graphics and presentations. If you've already got your project open, great. If not, take a moment to navigate to Canva and open the project you wish to work on. Make sure you have an idea of the image you want to adjust, as it will help streamline the process. Now that you're on your Canva project page, look for the Apps button. This button opens up a plethora of available tools and applications that Canva integrates with, allowing you to enhance your project effortlessly. Click on Apps and in the search bar, type Image Blender. This tool is exceptional for merging images and adding sophisticated overlays. Once you see it in your search results, go ahead and open it. With Image Blender now at your disposal, you'll notice several blending options at your fingertips, such as linear, radial, and brush. These options provide different styles and effects for combining your images. For the purpose of our demonstration today, we're going to use the linear option, as it allows you to seamlessly fade one image into another, creating a beautiful gradient effect. It's an excellent technique for producing subtle transitions and dynamic visuals. Select the image within your project that you wish to adjust. Once selected, click on the linear option in the Image Blender tool. This action will prompt new settings that will enable you to adjust the fade or transition of your image precisely how you like it. Adjusting these settings can add depth and an extra layer of professionalism to your work. Play around with the fade settings until you achieve the exact look you're aiming for. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully blended images using Canva's Image Blender. By mastering this tool, you've taken a significant step in enhancing the quality of your visual content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with other blending options like radial and brush to discover what works best for your creative projects. Thank you for watching today's guide. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using design tools like Canva. Keep creating and have fun with your projects.